This is the Smart Way shipping and postal scale that I ordered. Unboxing. Just want to show you what's in there. Comes with the weight. It's pretty heavy. And comes with a USB charging cord, I guess. Or not a charging cord, but so that you could just use it with power. Comes with instructions, and it comes with a screen thing. So, and it comes with a battery, which we're going to do right now. Yeah, it looks cheap. Doesn't look really good, but I hope it does the job. Oh, sorry. I guess you're supposed to put it in here like this. I don't want to break this thing. That's it. We're going to do a little test. Roughly 1 pound and 1 ounce. £3 pounds and 6 ounces. So that's it. There's not really much to it. I'm just gonna turn it off. Turn it on. It automatically zeroes, so you can leave whatever's there. Okay. I'll turn it off. And turn it back on. That's it.